Okay, on to Niti Now Special. The Indian economy might be in the middle of one of its roughest patches, but if wealth held privately by individuals in the country is anything to go by, well, the growth story is very much alive and kicking. Krishna Kumar with a special report.
The macroeconomic environment might be poor, but in terms of wealth owned by individuals, India is surely in the right direction. According to Karvi's annual report, wealth held by individuals in India currently stands at a whopping 202 lakh crore rupees, of which 110 lakh crores are in financial assets, a majority of it in debt instruments, and 92 lakh crores are in physical assets like real estate and gold, and the wealth in real estate excludes primary residences. Here's the kicker. Over the next 5 years, the total amount of wealth held by individuals is expected to double to 411 lakh crore rupees. While the report pegs FY14's GDP growth at a modest 5%, it does expect it to increase at a faster pace going forward.
I can reel off the usual litany that everyone talks about, but inflation clearly is a big one. But combined with inflation, it's also about trying to take away the supply side constraints to help real growth come back up again. So if you had to pick two things, it'd be curbing inflation as well as taking out the supply side bottlenecks to make sure your real growth rates kind of go back.
Gold forms 30% of individual wealth at present, and that is expected to go down to 22% by FY18. While the realty market might be beaten down at the moment, the report says wealth held in the form of realty by individuals is set to double over the next 3 years. Not just that, households living in self-owned homes in India are expected to cross 90% in the next few years. Krishna Kumar, ET Now, Mumbai.
Okay, if you're planning a getaway around Christmas or